It get violent if you try it. Try to lie but I ain't buy it. Hurt my heart, now I can't find it. Yeah. It's fuck these hoes and who they side with. Drop that location on me and I can make my way to you. Tryna get inside your mind, baby, have you thought it through? Feel it. Soon as I walk in the room, did you think I was a fool? Why you act like you confused? Bring out the worst of me, of course you're gonna disagree. My bad for sticking around instead, I think we got too deep. Not crying for a while, over it in about a week. Your first mistake was thinking I'ma be losing sleep. Read between the lines with me, don't mean to keep a secret. I've been in and out of love before, so let's not make a sequence. Act like we was hella tight, but you out here committing treason. Treat me out, doing me dirty, switch up on me like the season. Take your love for granted. Sorry if I've been demanding. You just know the way to handle. We both knew that it would happen. Told me if I need you tapping. You knew I was busy stacking. When I speak, you always back it. In my feelings, now I'm rapping as if it was automatic. I like when you be romantic. Passion between us everlasting. Read between the lines with me, don't mean to keep a secret. I've been in and out of love before, so let's not make a sequence. Act like we was hella tight, but you out here committing treason. Treat me out, doing me dirty, switch up on me like the season. Take it easy, careful with me, not the type that's temporary. I don't play no secondary. You acting scary, baby, I got no fear in me. You should've known the deal, cause I only play to keep. I bet you reminisce about me and girls you meet. Guilty conscious, you comparing who don't compete. Don't gotta question your intentions, I already know. You'll be too friendly, sorry, that shit